Dala ka muna mo siya dali. Oh, welcome to my channel.
To my channel. This is we are going.
Yeah, you need to talk.
Wow, there's a
Oh, tell to your vlog. Tell to you. Explain.
the fish called you. Fish called
It's a koi fish.
see the fish now. And you go guys bring the fish to your house. That's nice.
Ah, there's a peacock. Peacock.
I can learn this.
Oh, explain. Explain your vlog.
Okay.
Explain.
What's in here?
It's only
The
bayaba.
Can you explain what's in here? What's this?
fruit, and after that, you must eat some. You need that fruit. Oh, and after this, you must bring this at your house.
It's that guava? What's it?
Maybe it's guava.
It's a guava.
And this is guava.
Maybe yes.
Ayun na, peacock. Ay, sorry.
Ayan, maganda. Ilalbubukan niya yung buntot niya. Maganda to. Nakabukan
Ganun
yung...
yung ano niya. Yung ganyan niya.
Galitin mo, habuling ka dyan.
Wait lang. Ano ba yan? Ayun, dali. Ayun o. Moshi. Ayun, ayun. Mana, ayun o.
Ay, wow! It's nice!
Yay! Say hi, peacock.
Hi, Lisa.
Para siyang, so it's like, there's a lot of ice.
Do you see the fish? I saw before.
May fish?
Oo, mayroon.
Koi?
I want tiny fish.
Nice.
Okay ba pwede yung picture dyan lang?
Mm.
Dili, look na dito.
1, 2, 3, smile! Say cheese!
Wow. A flower.
A flower.
Pero pili ko na.
Ayun! I saw the fish! I saw the fish! It's a lot! It's a lot! Down there!
Ayun o.
It's a lot of fish!
You see?
Yes.
Maybe
Mommy,
meron pa
look.
dyan.
Now I do this now.
We want to take rest.
They are under...
There's a lot of lumot. Okay, go. Go. Move forward. Parang, dito muna tayo. This one is last. Ayun, ayun, ano. Yes.
Ano meron dyan?
Malabo na yung tubig.
Ay, oo nga.
There's a lot of fish.
Ah! One fish. Have a fish. Have a fish.
Dito, gumawa nila. Konti, ayun.
Ano to? Orange ba to? May bunga. Pankan. Oo, tunay.
Oo nga, it's orange. Mosi ka! Mosi na na. Isa. Mosi na, dito lang ka is there.
Yung maming high blood.
Mosi na, dito is Mosi. Oh, explain to your vlog.
Okay, what's this, Moshi? What's this?
What's that? What is this? Huh?
Flower.
Explain to your vlog. Explain.
What's this? What's this?
This is a flower. Yes, give somebody girl, and you must marry somebody. What?
You must, ano? You must marry somebody.
It's called a girl, it's a mommy, and she's a
No, kumakuha. No picking fruits.
Saan pa? Dito?
Oo, meron pa dito.
Dito, let's go there.
Dito!
Dito. Dito, come here. Ah, okay. Okay, wait for tita.
Ang ganda pala yung saging na yun, yung namumunga ng marami.
Ay, oo.
Yeah, explain to the vlog.
What's that? Louder.
Louder, louder.
Guys, look.
Nasaan na yung
That's
ticket
banana?
na?
There.
Wala.
If you have 1,000. Hey, come. Look at this, Tita Ala.
Yung ticket ko na 330.
Huh? Tita Ala, come. Look at here.
Okay.
Look.
It's 1,000.
How did I do like that?
I
Ah,
don't know.
I found a bird.